Hi everyone, it's me, Carib Spice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Oh my gosh, what you're looking at. So this is my backyard. This is my backyard, and guys, we are going through a snowstorm in the south. And if you're following the news, Texas is not really prepared for this sort of weather. So we have been dealing with rolling power outages. We have been dealing with just craziness, but. Uh, I'm looking at social media and a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you guys are overreacting down there. And I'm like, well, if you're not prepared for this sort of weather, we're not used to this sort of thing. It's just this happens probably once every 5 years at best, maybe. Um, a lot of people are going to just kind of, it's just going to seem as though you're overreacting. But this is my backyard. This is what we're dealing with out here. Isn't this crazy? So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of vlogging for you guys. So it's very late. It's like after 6 minutes to 7. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of vlogging for you guys. It's very cold out here. I'm really not a fan of the cold, of the snow. I'm not. I'm 100% Caribbean girl. But what did I do? I did a quick workout the day before the weather got really bad, just a few days ago, like last Wednesday. And then I've just been like around the house, working on my abs, doing home workouts. So not much, just gonna include little things I've been doing here and there. But yeah, that's it. That's how it is. Let me go to try to get some footage from the front of the house because this is the backyard. So this is what it looks like down the street. You can't really see the street either, but I think it started snowing really heavy on, I think Sunday or Saturday. And there were areas that got hit pretty badly. And then tonight, so tonight is Tuesday, it's supposed to snow again, like another round of bad weather. But guys, we had let me turn this around. When the weather got bad the first night, we were without power for like 14 hours. So having the kids, Ebony and Amara, especially Amara, because Ebony can cuddle with me, but I can't cuddle with the baby for safety reasons. Well, I choose not to. It was really, really cold, really cold. I haven't experienced cold like this in Texas in 17 years. So it went down to below zero, and this is very unusual for the South. So anyway, we're expecting a second round. So after that 14 hours without power, they have been doing a little bit better with getting energy out. So it feels like we get heat for like a couple of hours, then they turn it off for like 2 to 3 hours and they put it back on. And some places have been doing better. Like I have friends who got heat for like half an hour at a time. So half an hour heat, and then they'll turn it off for 15 minutes, then another half hour. See, so houses like that wouldn't really feel cold, but our house gets really, really cold when the power is out for hours, as you would imagine. So anyway, we're expecting the second round of snow, and I'm not too enthused about it. This is not for me. It's pretty, when you look at snow, it's pretty, but then what we have to deal with is like sleet, sleet and the treacherous drive. I did not go to work on last Thursday. I didn't go to work last Thursday. So this weather actually started Wednesday. I don't know why I said Sunday, Saturday. Man, I'm getting old. But and then we didn't have school on Monday. That was President's Day anyway, but there was no, so we were supposed to have a professional development day. So when the kids are home, teachers was supposed to have a virtual professional development day. And so Ebony, I'll be back. Okay, it's cold, baby. So we didn't have that. Some districts had their teachers do teaching online, but my district didn't. And let's see, Tuesday today there was no school, and tomorrow there will be no school either. And since snow is going to fall tonight and Wednesday, I doubt there will be school Thursday and even possibly Friday. So on top of a pandemic, nothing lasts forever. Texas is going to be up in the 60s next week. Yeah, no kidding. And you could literally experience 4 seasons in 1 week. But anyway, my lips are chapped, getting dry, so let me go take care of that. And let me go 10th Avenue. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I don't know what else I want to put in this video. I just feel like I wanted to touch base with you guys. All right.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be with any go. Something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah.
Alright guys, so I just drove off from my house. I'm headed to the store. I'm gonna go to Walmart. That's the only store that is open right now. It would have been easier to go to Target, but Walmart is not far either. As a matter of fact, Walmart is closer to the house. But as far as logistics, I just rather go to like Target for, you know, like pickup and all of that stuff. They do the drive up pickup, but that's not being offered, of course, due to the weather. So I'm going to Walmart for some essentials. Now, I do not even want to be out here. I'm not used to driving in snow. I've never driven in this type of condition. Excuse me. But now that I'm seeing on social media that the gas company may shut off our gas in the area, well, across Texas, I don't know if this is true or not, but I did receive a text from them urging for conservation of gas. We're not using a lot of gas, but I feel like whenever I get a message like that, what follows is an actual outage. So I'm going to do that, and then excuse me, some other essentials. I mean, I don't really need to discuss that, but when I say essentials, I really do need those items. Even though I shopped before, I prepped it before and all of that stuff, I really do need those items. So as much as I don't want to be here, Mama's got to do what Mama's got to do. Look, this is the meat shelf out here. See, isn't this something? Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Absolutely nothing. There is nothing, basically nothing on the shelf. As interesting as it gets.
We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be with any go. Something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games? I don't wanna play. I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep on grounded. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna
This letter is T. T says Sprinkle, sprinkle, Amara. Now, P again? Not that. I can't. This one is letter F. S. Okay. This one is letter. This one is letter G. G says G.
Good job.
Don't get fees. Get Frontier and get no hidden monthly fees for $59.99 a month plus taxes and government charges.
Our internet came with so many hidden monthly fees that now my husband has fees covered in fees. And
Is that yummy, Amara?
itchy.
He bites his good.
Be gentle.